I go on vlog. Long time we don't see me, not true. I sweat already. The bushes have returned.
Jim, I'm still wonder what the hell.
What we are going to do, we're going to soon find out.
Got me just healing, brother.
Got people on top of people's. Cowboy hat. Man with salute. A girl. And a brother in a striped shirt.
How about we are going to swim?
How we are to do?
You know, no little fish in this.
Yeah, fish they further up.
So fish they further up.
People actually come out here with the fishing rods and actually fishing them.
In this?
Yeah, like further up.
No,
like, you can see the fish here?
Hold on, I'm going to delete some things off of this. So, let's see what I go on. So this is the height. People look where I go walk across.
No, dog. No. Yo, we watched that show already. I'm not
End the world for everybody.
It's like a horror movie.
Watch your style,
Bruh. Balance, you know.
But I take him out over that one still.
God, no.
But you know I drive, that's the problem.
So what's up?
No, like, honestly.
If there's nothing else like this, then alright. If you get higher, right now my leg them GG dog, I rip across. Watch everybody a struggle I come across. Are you tell me some teeth pepper? We catch him a teeth pepper, you see me? So if you talk to him and I find out why I'm over this. Hey boss, why you over this teeth pepper? Eh? There dog. Let's see what I'm going to do. I'm going to shoot off a shot. Easy.
Scotch bonnet peppers, that's what we have on the production. The whole piece is about 1 3/4 acres. And over there, across where you see the empty land, that is where we're going to be putting in another acre hopefully by next month. And hopefully by the end of the year we'll have this entire plot right here, which is 7 acres covered in Scotch bonnet peppers. As you can see when you look at the root of the plant, you see some hoses, black hoses. Those are drip hoses which slowly irrigate the plants. I know. Oh, and another thing that it helps us with is also fertilizing, where we can add the fertilizer, treat the water the fertilizer, so that we don't have to walk around and throw fertilizer at the roots.
Yo, how long it take the crop for like come?
Alright, so it takes 6 weeks in the nursery where you sow it as a seed and then it take it out when it's a fully grown seedling, and then it takes about 3 months after that, 2.5 to 3 months. 3 months is a safe estimation.
You start seeing the fruit.
But it can do better than that. It depends on how the conditions, the environmental conditions, and how you care it as well.
And it's a fruit, right? That boy is a fruit.
Funny enough, we did something on social media. Oh, well, what? Something funny that...
No, I'm very good question. So it's a fruit, Jamie?
Yeah, it's a fruit, I know.
Right.
So
I remember I did something on social media.
Yeah.
Pepper is a fruit if you never know. Now you know.
Yeah, so the famous Kevin too crazy.
In the farm. I'm in the farmlands, man. Just say, hey.
Yeah, man, so right here, so now, okay, go on here. It's kind of interesting. You see the problem with this now, I say, normally I don't know what interests people, I don't know what interests people.
Yeah.
So like everything interests me. Yeah. So I don't know what to say because we don't really want
to man talk, man, you see me?
Man, just do it.
Alright, also on our right here says the first plot that we had planted. So, alright, so if you look at this plot now, you're going to see that it kind of, you can hear it, Riley. Riley. Yeah, man.
So, a weird question. Yeah. What's that? The leaves pepper too?
No, you can. Well, I never really tried before, so you can try now. The sample one I leave.
That would make for good content, bro.
Our pepper leaves actually pepper.
No.
Yeah, there goes your answer.
If you look on this, you can turn the camera on the field itself. Yeah, man. If you look on this field, you're going to say it's kind of unlevel.
Yeah.
When you look on this, it's kind of on one level.
Everybody have the same height.
Yeah. Over here is our first field, so you know, it's enough mistake mechanism, so you can see the difference. But really and truly, when you're doing farming, you want everything to be uniform. And then that is another benefit of the drip irrigation. Other than saving water, it also helps to encourage uniform growth.
So everybody grow the same level.
Yeah. But when you are done this now, we're in the wicked rain season in November. Whenever we did a flood out. But them catch back good still and them coming on nicely. Start up the land preparation.
People see them big old pepper them.
Yeah, man, and then right here so now is our valve system, so that allows us to do the irrigation in sections, because you see if you don't have enough pressure to run the water, you have to do it in sections. So
Gravity only use?
no, when I carry guys up there, you see. Oh yeah.
How we actually started.
Alright, so we start now.
Yeah,
You see
yeah,
the-
Popeye.
No man.
Looks,
Mine, I know, or something.
Oh, when it broke in the orange. No man, castor is a castor tree.
Yeah.
Alright, so this now. This is where we naively began farming. So this is what Jamaicans call oil nut.
Yeah,
And
see,
more popularly known castor oil. This is actually, yeah, this is the nut. And
Good
this
for
is what
your
they
hair.
use to make castor oil. Good for your hair, good for your skin.
Good for
Have
vomit.
all kind of other, clean out and all of them or something. So this is where we began farming. About a year ago, would that be a year? A little over a year ago. This entire piece was straight castor. Nothing except for castor. We had the whole 7 acres planted. But the problem with this now is that it's very hard to control and maintain. So we're actually going back into castor beans, but we're going with a different variety, the Nordestino. So that one is much easier to manage and gives you a higher yield and things like
So
that.
you never know, say a different thing now.
Yeah, trust me, man. When you swear, say where I go in a goal, and we are going a coal. Like,
So in terms of like pests with the pepper, like what bother you know in terms of that?
yeah, worms. Well, it's more categorical. Because you have so many of them. You have aphids, which are sucking insects. You have worms. You have cutting insects, which don't affect our adult plants anymore, but the seedlings will affect them. Mites is a big problem. Naked to the human eye, so you can't see them with a magnifying glass. But what we do, we just spray preventatively. Boy. So anyways,
Yeah.
so with the mites now, I was supposed to edit all that. Anyways, so the mites now, what am I say again? Yeah, so that now we just try
That's
to
the
spray
worst.
preventatively, but yeah man, that one they're wicked. Like, you see this feel like have yellow in it and all them stuff.
Yeah.
We never have none of that because of mites. The tree them never there bear nothing at all. So then we'd have to spray to get them out and thing, and it recover quite well still compared to what it was before. Water from. Just like how you guys get your household water from NWC, National Water Commission, we get our water from NIC, National Irrigation Commission. So this is
Yo, the more you know.
so this is the main line is the water coming pressurized. If any water then like that. No, you can step back.
Okay.
You know what?
I've seen this in the movies.
I know what is in the line right now. So anyways, so this is where we get our water from. We have our meter, pressure regulator, backflow to make sure that no water runs back into the system. These two faucets, these two faucets is where we treat the water with fertilizer. So we normally mix the water in this drum. And if you look in there, see a little fertilizer left back. So we mix the water in this drum, and then it sucks from the drum into the it draws from the drum into the water system and goes into the field. Normally we have a filter attached right here. Well, this is one half of the filter. I normally have the second half or the bottom half. I never really want to say that. And the system attached, but you know, people help themselves to it, so you kind of
Take it off.
yeah.
The filter and the filter out the
Well,
fertilizer.
no, because this is a mesh filter, so it only filter like grass and things. The fertilizer too small to get caught in the filter. Alright,
I
so
have a real problem with it. The thieves.
yeah man.
You have to do everything with them in mind.
In farming, you can't make a
Build your
step on your
business
So like
around
them
them.
are the silent partner.
Yeah. They are actually. So yeah man, so that basically conclude the tour still.
Sorry.
What else you guys would want to see?
Maybe you can show them the gravity of how much land we actually
Own
yeah.
or run off for lease.
But the problem with Clarendon is that Irish potatoes grow in cool climates, so you can only plant in November.
Over here
Because
steamy
Clarendon
right
too
now.
hot, as you would have feel it right now.
Yeah, man. And that concludes our tour. Now we're going to head back and do the work. You see, down here steam still. People say town hot.
That one a different son.
You don't know where I go on a Clarendon then. I'm on where I come from, see? Where everything cool. When we move go to Kingston, things are burn up, but we kind of get used to that and now come to Clarendon. Or a new Sunday down here. I hope I learn something today still, you see me? With all the farming I will show you. And if you want to try the farming thing, it's a good thing. I want to get in it. I gotta just get ready now and do the thing. If anything, I check in back with them. Gaza. When they catch him at teeth, he go to see. He go tell them, say, I him and Margaret, second to last boy is a thief he goat. But me tell you this, you know, if I did ever, understand? If I did ever catch one out of the two of them, Jesus Christ, they would have to build me a new prison and set me up nice like Escobar. You hear me? Make me the devil about them up. Damn thief. Make the boy them more work, sir. Make the dirty boy them more work. That's true sometime, you know. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust, sprinkle of dirt for them. I'm not going here.
Yo, Ali, I gotta shoot, right? You, cause you are really. I just tell you now, and using the creative visions and
Yeah, I wanna say it. One I wanna say it, but a seed man a suck. Say it now. A very important part of this video is to go tell
I support Jamaica.com. Click on the Fidelis Harvest project and then click on the fund project button. We'd appreciate the support.
that is the support, guys. So do that for me, please. Appreciate it. Thanks. But there's I do my part. So you just go click, do your part, right? Martin, we're done for you there. Take care of yourself. Remember, I support Jamaica. Fidelis.
Fidelis Harvest.
Fidelis.
Please leave a message after the beep.
Bossy man, ain't just thieves down mass Joe place in us, sir. Because news are go around, say, up at your place, them are go next.
You think that's so it go go? After man spending most. You think I'm gonna just tease me, so? Eh? I take what me say. Alright, watch. Alright, that's what me ask you tonight. You right there, so. Me not move. Bossy! Libert! Where comes over Libert?
He was them teeth to paper him up and tree again.
Neither Bassy nor Liebert caught the thieves. Better luck next time. Goodbye.